Body they worry you.
Gardens was established in the year 1890, and it was led by Sir William Bamford Jeffers, a Presbyterian missionary. It's a British man. So the main purpose to establish the gardens is to preserve all the trees. So over here we have 160 acres of land, but we are able to develop only 30. So the 130 acres of land is a forest reserve that we are not able to encroach anything on it. So the garden is 133 years old. So the tree that we are seeing here, the botanical name of the tree is called Silver Patandra. Silver Patandra, that is the botanical name of this tree. And the common name is Saint Cotton tree. It produces cotton during the harvest time. So this tree was planted by Sir Aburi Garden on the 23rd of March 1924. So this tree has been here 99 years ago, origin from West Africa, Ghana and Nigeria. Okay. So Sir Aburi Garden was the former governor of Peduase, now Ghana. He started the Achimota School and then College Teaching Hospital. So this It's a carver from Aburi Garden. So it carved this beautiful sculpture that we call it the struggle of life. Come close. So in life, you have to start from the struggle. Slowly. When you get to the top, you'll be crowned as a king. So it was carved by Mr. Kofi Apia, who is a carver from Aburi Garden. That's 10 years ago. So you can see the hippopotamus, the giraffe, the camel, each and every one is trying to do its possible bit to get to the top. So when you get to the top, you'll be crowned as a king. So it was carved by Mr. Kofi Apia. That is 10 years ago. But the original tree is called the cypress tree. So the branches of the cypress tree started falling down. Because we are here to preserve the tree, we just call Mr. Kofi Apia to come and carve this beautiful sculpture. That we call it the struggle of life tree.
Life tree. Are you saying that king is there? Yeah.
The monkeys were all healthy.
Mr. DJ, play something, play something.
Waterfall and not listed trees. You have to plant both male and female. 5 meters apart, 5 meters apart for the cross pollination. So this is the male tree of the nutmeg. So the male produces a flower, so you can see the white flower. And the female produces a fruit, but we don't have the female tree here in the other side. So how can they meet? Can they cross? This is the right nutmeg. So the red thing that we are seeing around the north is called maize. Was brought by the Ghana Air Force Service. Okay. Purposely for the children to come and play with. So we have been here 49 years ago, brought by the Ghana Air Force Service in the year 1974.
So it was brought here sport already?
Yeah. But so it's not a crash helicopter. As a lot of people are telling a lot of story about it. Okay.
Let's talk. So this opinion video. Avec pas pour. Joe.
Mary, go from there. I want to.
Emmanuel, I died.